Hello guys, there we have a OPPO A16s, and today I will show you how you can remove a notification and any other virus on this device. So, if you see something like that in your notification bar, that means you have a notification virus. So, we can try to remove it without antivirus app. To do it, just open the app info of your web browser. To do it, just hold the finger on your web browser icon and choose app info. Now go to the permissions, not permissions, go to the storage and click manage space. Now choose clear all data. Now your web browser should be free from the notification virus. Also you can go to the apps section, open all of your apps and check that you have any unwanted apps here. If you have, just uninstall it by this button. But if that way doesn't work for you, we can try to download some antivirus app, but remember to choose the trusted company. I will show you it in the Avast. Click Get Started, Next, and skip. Continue with free and continue as free. Now click here and add permissions. Now just go back. Choose your scan type, and now I was looking for viruses, unwanted software, and will delete it after the scan. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, visit our channel, and goodbye.